Are you looking to become a world-class product manager? Hi everyone, my name is Manav. I'm the founder and CEO of Inset, and in this video I want to introduce you to a very exclusive program called the PGP in product management, which is first of its kind end-to-end product management program in India. Now before I tell you why this program is different and why you should choose this program, let me tell you who this program is for and if this program is the right fit for you. This program has been designed keeping one person in mind, that is you. If your ambition, if your goal and if your vision is to make products for the world and establish yourself as a leader in the product management world, then this program called the PGP in product management has been designed exclusively with that objective in mind. Now let me help you understand why you should choose this program, and there are three reasons that I will talk about in this video, and the third reason is something especially you should focus on a lot because that something is essential to become a world-class product manager. Now the first reason why you should choose this program is because this program has been designed and developed and crafted by some of the top product managers and top product companies in India. Whether it is Amazon, whether your goal is to become a product manager at Adobe or at PayPal or at Google or at Meta, we spoke with product managers at all of these companies and looked at what are the most important things that a budding product manager like you need to learn, and we then developed the curriculum, which is not only step by step but in depth as well. So what you're getting is learning in the program which is not only practical but which is directly being crafted by top product management professionals. The second part about the program and USP about the program that is very unique is this is the only program in India which covers the end-to-end spectrum of product management, which means that not only are you learning one subset of product management, let's say product strategy or engineering, but what this program helps you do is it helps you master product management in a step-by-step way. The curriculum is so step-by-step structured and powerful that you start the first term with introduction or basics of product management. It does not require you to be from a certain background, industry or field. It starts with the very basic, which is introduction to product management, and then moves on to the more advanced concepts in product management, let's say product strategy, product road mapping and UI UX and product engineering. So the curriculum has been designed so that each term builds on the last term that you are doing, and all the skill set that recruiters are looking for are incorporated in the program. And that was our whole idea, vision behind the program. That is, when you graduate out of the program, you should not feel that I do not know this in product management or this topic is new to me in product management. You know end-to-end product management, and that is our vision of this program, and that's something that you would love about the program at all. The third part about the program that you would love is this program is applied product management. Product management can be boring as a field if it is not taught with real world application and use cases. Whatever you are going to learn in the program is going to be cases which we are going to pick from different industry. You are going to learn a product management, let's say a framework or concept, but how is that applied in real world? That is what is more emphasized on in this program. So let's say if you are learning a framework of product management, you'll get to see that how is that framework actually used in the in different use cases. So what you are getting is practical, real world applied learning of product management, which is so essential for your success as a product management. There are many other parts about the program that you would love, including the career assistance part about the program and including the fact that it covers the most advanced modules like product growth, monetization and scaling. And if you want to join this program, I invite you on this journey on this program of PGP in product management. I believe that this program will not only make you a product manager, but this program will transform the way you look at building, designing and scaling products as a future product manager. Look forward to seeing you in the program. Talk to a learning advisor if you have any questions, and see you in the next cohort of PGP in product management.